Hi, I'm Paul Tapier at SEMA 2017 with Auto Parts Warehouse, and Sean Gibson from Gibson Performance Exhaust, who's been kind enough to invite us to their booth. Thanks, Sean.
Hey, anytime.
All right, and he's about to give us a few tips. I'm sorry, I had to go there, but as we were kind of walking over here, we were saying, like, yeah, you know, the people who are on Auto Parts Warehouse, they love different kinds of tips for their vehicles.
Well, yeah, I mean, even though we have over 4,000 vehicle applications available with, complete bolt-on systems, sometimes you may even want to, take your, exhaust to another level and add different tips to it. Or maybe we don't have an application and you just want the look of a tip and you want to finish it off. I mean, we have universal tips, and this is a small portion of what we do offer, but we have everything from double-walled intercooled tips that will not discolor, to single-walled rolled edge tips, to turn-down tips, and even our sport tips. And we have them all available in a black ceramic coated finish as well. And if you look at the black ceramic coated, understand that this is still T304 stainless steel with a black ceramic coating on it. It's really the best that you can get. The most important thing that you're going to see on this page right here is the fact that our tips are still made in the USA. We make them in-house in our factory. We will not let somebody else stamp our name on another product that we don't make. So we stand behind everything out there. We have all different sizes. Look on the site, get it, you got your exhaust, and you're gonna have it real big all the way to the tip.
Well, Sean, you might be right about this being a small portion of what you have, but not on autopartswarehouse.com. Okay, so log on, find him, buy him. It'll make Sean real happy.
Please, no.
All right, make you happy too. Make your vehicle look awesome. Okay, I'm Paul Tapier from SEMA 2017 for Auto Parts Warehouse.